Now what I've just done is I hooked up a vacuum smoke machine, or a smoke machine to the vacuum line, and we're going to inject smoke into the system through the main vacuum line. We're trying to track down where the whistling noise is coming from. And as you can see, the smoke's starting to come past the throttle plate, the bushing. It's hard to see in the sunlight. Let's see if I can get closer. See the smoke coming right from the throttle bushing? So I suspect that that's where our vacuum leak is. And that's what's creating the whistling noise. But if we look in the intake, we have no other smoke anywhere. We do have an oil leak, but that's not going to create a noise. If we look at the intake, the air box, see all the smoke coming out? So we know we're putting a lot of smoke through the system right now. Look at all that smoke.